Former Prime Minister Imran Khan has predicted that the current illegal government in Pakistan will collapse in 2 months. Imran Khan, whose unjust incarceration has now exceeded a year, made the comment speaking to the media during his jail trial. The PTI chief said he and his wife were being targeted in a bid to break him. He said, and quote, "I have fought all the cases, I'll fight more. The purpose of filing cases on me and my wife was to break me and my party PTI," unquote. Imran Khan and his wife are facing dozens of politically motivated fake cases. A UN Human Rights Working Group has said Imran Khan's detention is arbitrary and in violation of international law while calling for his release. Pakistan's authoritarian military-led government has blocked dropsitenews.com, an independent investigative journalism platform led by Jeremy Scahill and Ryan Grimm. The ban comes after a bombshell news story last week which revealed a secret Pakistani program that directs military officers to attack social media critics and digital terrorists, a term used by the military for PTI supporters. The military government has already blocked X, formerly known as Twitter, and has abducted scores of critics, including journalists who have criticized it on social media. Ryan Grimm and Murtaza Hussain gained prominence in Pakistan after they published the famous cipher, which contained details of a threat given by Donald Lu, the US State Department official. Besides the labor migration from Pakistan as millions flee from the authoritarian military-led government, businesses are also pulling out as the economy collapses. A report in the Pakistani media says that over the past 2 years, 9 multi-billion super-rich companies have divested their assets in Pakistan, signaling a significant shift in the country's economic landscape. 2 years ago, Imran Khan's government was overthrown in a soft coup, leading to the worst political crisis in the country's history. Amongst the companies which have divested assets or left Pakistan altogether are Telenor, Uber, Pfizer, and Shell. Palestinians have been burned alive after Israeli air attacks hit a crowded camp that had reportedly been designated a safe zone. Medical teams told Al Jazeera that 56 people have been killed and dozens injured in Israeli bombing in Gaza since dawn. The occupational Israeli forces have once again ramped up bombings as regional tensions rise following the assassination of Hamas political chief Ismail Haniyeh. Since October 7th, the Israeli occupation forces have massacred 39,000 Palestinians in what many have called a genocide.